Look at this. This is the new Underglow color from Detail Factory's Octane Series. Pink and blue, bold, clean, and guaranteed to turn heads in your detailing kit. Today I'm breaking down every brush in the line so you know exactly what to use and where to use it. Let's start with the wheel brush kit. You can get them in 2 sizes, perfect for getting deep into barrels. The bristles are soft enough for delicate wheels, but stiff enough to knock out baked on brake dust. If you haven't cleaned your wheels in a while, this is your weapon of choice. Next up is the Curveball. It's basically a powder brush for your car. Use it for grills, emblems, door jambs, or big surfaces, like the back of your seat or doors. It's soft, satisfying, and honestly, it's just fun to use. Then next up, ProGrip tire scrub brush. Also available in 2 sizes. This one's built for bite, stiff, short nylon bristles that dig deep into rubber and pull out all the brown junk that makes your tires look old. Pair it with a good tire cleaner like Brake Buster or Coach Kimmy's Magic Wheel Cleaner, and you'll wonder why you didn't start scrubbing sooner. Next up, the ProGrip Fender well brush. Fender wells, most people forget them, but not you. This long handled brush lets you reach deep into wheel arches, under bumpers, and other awkward spots. Next, we've got the ProGrip wheel face brush. Short handle, dense bristles, perfect angle. This is your go-to for quick wheel face cleaning. Light pressure, big results. Always in the bucket. Then, the Tri-Grip detailing brushes. These are made for interiors, exteriors, patches, fence, buttons, you name it. They come in different sizes, super soft, and the Tri-Grip just feels right. Once you've held one, you'll get it. So that's the full lineup in the new Underglow colorway. Same high performance you expect from Detail Factory, just in a way bolder outfit. If you're ready to step up your detailing game, grab yours now at theragcompany.eu, because clean is cool, but clean with color, even better.